Go ahead. Open it up. You gotta
No,
put.
you can't
No,
get
one at a time, baby. One at a time. No, hey, Tommy, go see your mommy. Go see mommy. She's gonna. You gotta start it. Turn it over on the side with the wrinkles up so he can grab a hold of one and just pull on it. That's how he's been doing it. Got him? Good boy. Good boy. Get him. Put his hand underneath of that one of those other flaps on the underside, and he'll tear it right open. Good boy, Tommy. Good boy.
What is that?
Good boy. What did you get?
What is that?
What is
Your
it?
face.
Good boy. What is it? Bob the Builder? Yay! Look at that! It's a Bob the Builder. Tommy! Tommy! Oh, Tommy! Tommy! Tommy!
Tommy, look at
Baby! Baby!
Look at Tommy.
Baby! Good boy! Good boy! You showing me? Let's get to work.
You can help Daddy.
Oh boy. He said it on the side, it says Vamonos, Tools. He said, let's go, Tools.
Want another toy?
They got little faces and shit on them. Good boy. Now we're gonna open them and then we'll play with them, okay? All right. Huh? All right. I got the camera.